The only thing you need is a USB-A to USB-B cable, also known as a printer cable. Mine is from a Hewlett Packard printer. Without this cable you cannot do the firmware update. In order to do the upgrade we need the update software from Gardena. You can find the installer on their webpage. Please find a link to this page in the description of this video. Select Windows or Mac OS and go to the download folder. Run the executable to install the Gardena software on your computer. Go through all the steps of the installer and please be patient as the installation can take a minute or two. After successful installation you will get to see this screen with all the different robotic mowers of Gardena. Select your specific mower to proceed, in my case a Celino Minimo. The software of Gardena will show you the instructions on how to connect the mower to your computer and how to proceed with the update. Step 1 is to turn off the mower by holding the on-off button a couple of seconds. The USB port can be found on the bottom of the mower, so turn around the mower and remove the grey cover to access the USB port. Connect the USB-B cable to the mower and the USB-A cable to your computer. Turn the power back on. So in reality it looks like this. Turn off the mower. Turn the mower around and remove the grey cover of the USB-B port. Connect the USB-B cable to the mower and the USB-A cable to your computer. Turn the power back on. The software will check for updates. In my case there are updates available. I have to click at the right button to confirm update firmware. This process can take a while, so please be patient. Once the firmware update is done, you can select OK and follow the instructions to demount the robotic mower to your PC. So turn off the mower again. Once it's off, remove the USB-A cable from the computer and the USB-B cable from the bottom of your mower. Don't forget to put the cover back. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.